we give him, for long time, how much they lap?
Nice, you know. Them put that, you know, nice, you know.
brother?
How much you think one of them guns there? The big one. Them look nice, but them expensive because of the right castle, right? Is there another strip club there on here, sir? Every time I see that girl, let me know it's a strip club last night. No, say on the reach Manchester outside toilet, right?
What?
Yep, that's there. I don't know that, right? So yeah, man, I'm gonna hold on the shit back till we go back on the grill. You never know that, Courtney? Outside toilet, you know, some big cockroach in there, you know.
We are bush, man, we are bush.
What do you think? You don't think something right? Okay, wait till you come. We tell us I'm the real soldier. At 4 me asleep and when I go up there now. For 1 week, you know.
I just say no.
I'm not a soldier, I'm a real soldier.
I always sleep around 4 at times.
A graveyard, I sleep and when I go St. Mary, you know. In a graveyard, you know. When them not place for me stay, I just go up in the graveyard.
Right, this is a restaurant. They see no police naturally.
Alright. Get some good and some praises.
Yeah, man, we have to put you up on the bank. You have to be the driver. Give radio. Give radio, put you up there.
Good driver, good driver.
So what?
Put you up there.
So,
Come down the and that get the control. Or something with that cut on the bottom or something.
the front of the sign tag,
Come on, press up. Now we press up. See, put the back on the back and we press up. That one further up too. How we pop up already, man? Hey, how we press up already now?
Yeah.
God, he ain't holding for.
You hold him, man. You hold him, man. You okay? Go please, man, yes, sir. Oh, that's my confirm. Yeah, that's sir. You hold him, man.
Him break never hold.
You know what something now work there, but you hold the bank. You have to do the boy.
Hey!
But they mash up the truck down, kill yourself.
Alright. Here, Boaty.
I mean, the corridor.
Hey.
And this one, man.
Say what? Them corridor coming and
I mean,
And
this
that's
one.
so.
And this is there's a curry boat that played that this curry over there.
Yeah.
When I work on this.
So weird. How the jerk chicken there must have jerk wait till we touch on the hill. Hey, hey, a mile going on now. When you go from now, you know. See the Jamaica Good Life. See there. Every time I'm not going to run out of this guy. Macaroni and my drive like say.
No, but at the time,
nobody afraid of me now in the pocket.
No, when you know the road is different, you take time, bro. You know the road.
We don't drive out here, tire creep up back down.
You see, tell me you want to buy me sitting them from outside, so now you come in a bush, you know.
What do you want to buy?
You know, worry yourself, man. They come in a bush, you know, shop now day.
Me have toilet paper.
I don't want to go no time. I do everything I want to do for a flat. I don't say that. I don't want to roll.
You buy parachute.
You bend me, see.
You don't see Ben.
Bush.
You don't see Bush and Ben yet.
Same thing.
You see?
Don't go fast. All them a place that soon sell out and play houses.
Oh man, them sell them.
Can you not come build your house at them?
I'll put up there. When I climb my hill because we're going to build the house, you know.
Master God.
Get rid of where I climb, you know.
Really, they come back to work on it.
What you mean?
Yeah, come visit me. John come out.
What you know about John? You never come on here, see it.
But you know, if you miss him,
No, man, I love the bush. Peaceful, no crime.
yeah, idiot. When you're hungry, then you say, you don't know who come from, you remember the boy that really come from.
Headless.
Oh dear, brother.
The plan come out of anything.
So nice, look how pretty. Open up phone now. The Lord has opened up phone now. Yeah man, when you want to cool out, you want to come down, come drink some real coffee. Up on the top of the mountain, that's where we're going now.
Boy, go what's up?
Yeah, you have to know what place.
I'm from the 7 man. I'm from the 7 I'm sure that outside.
Oh, you see that was up on top of the top of my granny house, right on the top of this one. So, we up on the park where I go. I'm gonna talk about the one go country, when I reach country. Right. Yeah, man.
No, man, I was saying I go back up the way to
Street for the top of top where? You for the top of top.
Look, brother, look.
Mile Gully. Going to Norway. Vanessa, I know you love Norway. You're going to see it now on 4K camera. Jamaica going back to Randy Yard. Slow down the Leland truck up. Cause them man are not playing enough to run you over.
Take the next left.
Lord God.
Where's our one?
Take a left.
You know where's our one?
Left,
But you're
left,
saying to take the next left, but you're that long time.
So we ask me for.
Born in uncle.
Continue on B6.
You see them people are nice
Come
enough.
down on the highway and come this side.
They're nice, man.
You see? You come through some.
Yeah, the A2. Once you reach the school, I don't know what to go from this side. But no, if you once you go to school, I don't know if you search for next maybe a hardware store or once you're going, you're going, you know. There's no coming out for a while. Peaceful run or somewhere.
That's good.
No,
That's good.
They'll take keep left. I'll come up with that road here, so let's look at that. I think that they can make it back with that TV.
So we don't laugh. Madman and rest on a Jamaica.
Welcome to Grove Place.
Like that road I knew. It looked like it new, right?
Don't know, that's it.
Want it done there, so?
Yeah.
In 5 minutes we're supposed to hit the school. Yeah, I want to better be careful. It's some personal for the foot. No man, we put personal when we have here.
I make sure that there's one.
Hey, talk to the man here, you know. Ask him I'm going to reach, go, I go now way. Give him some direction, talk to the man here. Go now way.
Morning, Captain. I want to go Norway. Which direction, Tom?
Norway.
Yeah.
Alright, give thanks.
Respect.
So we're on the right track, and hopefully the primary school is near the police station. And the police station, I'm going to put it in first, but I put it in the police station now, just to make sure so we go further. Easy man, easy yourself, you find my local body. Everything up on your head. At primary school where I go. And your mouth I get from you, and your head I get from you. Which one?
When you go there, your mouth is like that, you let them go there.
No, we're going straight to the police station now, my lad.
Police station now.
I'll go straight to it, so I'll put that in. So at the primary school, 3 minutes to the police station. Easy instead of stay by your side. Yeah man, I go 5 minutes to the police station. Straight on top of that cloud over there, so I better put on no goggles. Stay by your left. Don't touch your hand, I have it, bro.
Malton, as I collect the yams already,
Where's your not going to stay long with me?
the yam gone dig already. So we time we catch your yam dig, you know what I'm back.
Oh yeah, sit to me.
Don't deal back. No, we can't make great catch you. Because we have flood out, don't feel it. No, I see that guy.
Fine, John. Yes, you go.
Oh, the wicked, you know. I just want to dump me off.
Yes, here I come home.
What country boy?
I will tell you what's
How about
so
things
nice.
here? How about things land boy?
So what was the direction, soldier, since you're a navigator? What them say for do? I left them say alright, fighter.
In here. Oh, God.
Dirty. Dirty. But that's enough people.
Where's the telegram and mail? Oh, yeah. Should you have a phone?
Should we work for him, man? That's why. Say Christian.
What that?
You know. Why you eat this? Skin and all.
Right, man. That's all I can't just eat it all the time. I'm paid for it. You pick the cage just to put it down.
I didn't know we love you, boy.
School, eh? See school, eh?
At the primary school,
That's high school. Yeah, I'm very sorry I can't tell you. It's school.
We could have gone to each other.
Nick said me now come back around here something. No. Alright, Nick.
Play ball on the side.
So where you used to go get back?
Police station we are going now.
You know what, just to see primary school, eh?
Right, yeah. Yes, sir.
Primary school. Right. Are you there to go to school first, brother?
Eh?
First school?
No man, and now I go to school. My mother them used to walk 6 miles. Once we just start the journey, you know. Once we go a mile going, then we really start.
Yeah, mile going?
No, right at the crossing. Alright, slow down. Slow down. Alright. Good. Now you're gonna take a left.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
Have you applied upon the court now?
Wait, now take a left.
Supermarket, I'm gonna buy. Can I buy something, sir?
Take a left. Stop to the man.
I'm going from the big.
Where Baba live. If I call Patrick and tell him to come in tomorrow. This is the test for the car. Pokey's in the car. The Good Life Jamaica. Man called Trusty, the Trusty. A soldier there, so I was a piss up the place and I get hands by it. And Pokey there, so I always laugh out the thing in a shop and I spend money. You see me and Nick a drying pants from way from Whisper him come from
Nick pants are dry. Oh.
from hey, come on, hey, you better see up on the left, you know. People kill around that side.
I do.
See what hey, soldier, me never tell you. Look on the hill there.
Man. Brother, I even go from here, you know. I'm back in America. No man, the one when me the game. I don't want to be the game. No. Me the give back to Kenny.
You know bet you.
Alright, cool.
You know Gina will ride by. Gina will ride by going for
I
the.
wonder if we did fit turn up this, but no, this
But you said don't take no more right turn. You said one straight, no more right turn. That's what you tell me.
Yeah.
Big bike, you ride, come on, man, tipping around.
You know what more security one I mean look at.
We're not talking about. Oh, never. How come we never talk about nothing with the world? The book, you know, make him take you.
Yeah, I know. Black code and me and
So
tipping.
me not be ask you a question
My uncle.
who are who. I'm a brethren, you go.
I'm my uncle.
Always come check me. Because you know me that.
So me didn't see a funeral.
No, me don't come and
I-
A lie, man,
Come
tell.
know when you say it.
A lie, man, tell.
You call them, call and tell me what about.
The woman's sister. But the man and him pa.
No, different. He
I'm pressing.
Yeah.
But I will use hand now. Just here, use hand now.
The person can do it for the big man. Live up by hand. And go to live up by hand.
Who you say no?
No way to. What happened?
That's Gina's sister. Oh. So two baby man I have up there. Oh. Come in notice I have you down there, girl. And they have one white sister, one cool looking one. Him that for years. Worry back here. Yes, I went by the house with the security one live down there. Gina when Gina no go for now while the jobs here.
We're not talking
No
about.
money now with the panic. I'm not serious.
Hey, you want pimento leaf?
No, we have the
Yeah, so we have it now. So just let me go and have ice cream.
You buy it. You buy it.
Yeah, bush.
I buy you buy it.
Breadfruit and yam, me want. I don't want none of them breadfruit neither.
I buy you buy it.
And yam, me want.
You buy pimento leaf.
Yeah, no, I'm going to buy the seed and this church. You go over bush, cross where me live.
And you get the pimento leaf.
Yes.
I was just
Around there, so we have to go Kangwa River.
I was just offering the kindness.
You know, last time Mr. Gina, right now, no house no left for blackness.
Up here, King Beach round
King
now, empty
Beach.
spot. Nothing house but them people.
Ginny got a water,
See them,
them the place they will go.
Up here.
Them a little food truck, them have a food truck. We want miles away, that's why we can't walk there. Yes, I come from and then now we go and over go finish. I'm not bridge with no West Bank. I'm not have no one bag of me back and me back. Pity as a pity. You know them blood thing. You have to go care some of them go and go to us and come back and get mine. They right. You can't manage it. You don't see me mama go so. My mother have 3 different second picnic here.
Eh? Yeah.
Them are doing it.
Customer. I'm bad with them the bush. The bush them I wake up and I say, I wanna bring them dirty people out the bush.
Keep over that they can't avoid inside.
Hey, that's probably Baba now. This is just like because of the Baba. You know, say Baba Carl who might have to go down the hill to help him.
Skull cap, you don't know it?
I like, don't you have to go look at bush to me, that brother? No, sir. We want bush to get and go drink. Me a cold like a sick. This when me lie down, the cold just come down in a minute. Call this and the guy I want to see. So you shine.
Welcome to Bush, Pokey. Blow the hand again, quick!
No, that's why you used to be second bit. You don't want to work for nobody. If first word will come out, I'm out a bad one.
Well, you know, sister, we have yam and we have pork. It's a perfect combination.
Yes, God, if we know work with more pork and come cook cassava.
Lord God, man. Yam thick. Nick, a your thing. Look at Nick. Look at the view for you, man. A your life. I'm a hometown, man. I'm alive. This my peaceful and happy and Nick all the time. Oh, I said good life Jamaica every day. Good life Jamaica. When those who doubt the car would make it, I had no doubt. You see me? We come through water, we come through storm.
You don't go through no fire yet.
Slow down the jet plane, it go too fast.
You make you drive up, the bars more.
Yeah, I like say you come from around here.
Yes, we need heavy food there. Right now, I'm going to take time to quit my
Look on the strong woman this side. Yes, a girl. Okay. Okay. Why am I eat so?
the tree good.
Yes, them called to it before we called to death. You see Manchester people.
16 past 9.
16 past that?
9.
What time is that? Let me see the time. Let's see that bomb.
I'm going to fix it now.
Oh, easy man, easy now, disrespect the car.
Look at that clock there, you know. Let's see the bomb for that time.
Tree up your favorite
Trumpet.
I think me see it. No, man.
Yes, sir.
I'm not trumpet. I think me see it. I'm marking one at a time. You know see tree with me, I'm ready.
Make you give a road from college and come on and have a place. I'm not find me, but I never know what I'm not find me. I'm coming at the night and I'm not something. Only my Vincent. What? The dogs them up at you know.
Yes, so they get home.
Watch yourself. I take out my water with me. I can't buy water in the city. So it took 2-3 more days before we come out. Give me a Rockstone was my hero. Look a girl upside. We used to walk barefoot go school, you know. Man, them used to walk 6 miles. The minute drop on the tank and push up the head, you see like me really ask him, Norway.
This way to Norway, sir. Morning. Which way to Norway? That road there.
Thank you, sir. So the man said,
Come again. Straight, no turn on. Alright, cool. Alright, respect and thanks.
and now way, man.
Now where I go?
Yeah, just go straight. Me tell you when I reach. You know a place. But we never know that turn there, because the boy tell us to go keep going straight. Right?
Yeah, go. No problem. This straight.
Yeah, straight.
This is the straight. We want to feel that go straight.
Yeah, what him tell you.
Yeah.
So no right, that's a right. Stay on the left. Think my money there walk down and that 10 minutes. That's when I run up in people's backyard. Slow down now. Now we are about to see the sea stone them now. Nick, a Jamaica Good Life, you say? Alright, so can't say me never bring it up. See the real good life. So we're gonna put on the bag them quick. Then we're gonna walk up to my house I go there, then we're gonna walk up to the chapter.
Night one. Night one.
What am I saying? I know night watch them call it. I watch night.
I will watch you that for saying they say that night. Can you that, man?
Rain not gonna fly out today?
Rain don't want none to far today.
Easy, Betsy, easy with it. Hey Nick, when we build the mission house, you're going to have a revival service out there. You hear something? And Mama, you had that? Seat over there, sir.
Yes, Pepsi. You look on the road, you have Pepsi. I'll give you one here on the roadside. You'll make you money.
Oi! Slow down, back up.
So they love it to go after some and clean up it.
Oh, not so miserable. See the lady. Oh man, very good man. It's Whitby. Mama have a tea long at Whitby, you know. She says a Whitby thick. I don't get with here. Whitby. And my people them is welcome to Whitby.
I want to somebody I that. What is somebody I that?
Good life,
Nick, you know.
Jamaica Good Life.
Nick.
Yeah.
Somebody I that. When you're on there.
Whitby. Yes, yeah, I'm thick down at Whitby. Remember now. Big field, Mama, at Whitby. Now we're going up to Norway now. You're going to see one look a big hill.
After what? Like after I'm boogie back.
I can broke you right in and grace.
Kid, man. Not bad about the people there.
Move back, boy, you better. Tell me now what example you
Me are
said.
good people, me are good people. Me are Jamaica
you
Good
better.
Life.
You
people.
better.
Me are good life people, you know.
No.
Good life. Asking for the good way. Yes. Up top. You see that? You see that at the top? That's the Manchester up top. And I'm just up and up.
We're not going to tap it up. We're talking about my phone lot.
Where you want the man to say up bottom? And nastiness.
No, you can't up bottom either.
Nasty.
You can't up bottom either. If this up bottom, you
I
can't
use a chop out step in nice.
No, me home. Me know me there now. Me home. Me know me there now. One more corner.
You know, search me out.
What you mean, man?
You see, I tell me like.
Up top, you hear me say? No up bottom business, you hear me say? Nasty
Python,
nasty python.
I put on like carry, man. Put on like carry.
What? Stop, style me road, man.
Master, this is a little narrow road here.
We not letting anybody in here, so you know. I'm around town this. One way in, chop off your head, one way out. It's a roll long hill. Blow your hand.
car and get read. You can't come back.
What do you mean, not yet?
You can't come back here, yes. You can't come on here.
I don't like when I style my house in the place, you know. I don't like when I style my okay.
I'm on my car with the hand.
I don't like how you style my place in a Pokey. I don't like how you style the place, you know.
I'm on my car with the hand.
You see? I style my thing too hard. Yeah, the hill must have come now.
Go on, then.
Yeah.
You know, so we used to walk all the way down a Whitby. All the way we used to walk down here. Imagine some, my mother used to go hill and you see, we just passed the primary school and so they used to go to school though, without shoes, you know. My God, man. That's...
Where you want shoes to go to school? Come by the head to school.
I think, I think Soja was growing up abused, you know. Them abused you as a child? Did you grow up with a father or mother? Or goat or donkey?
Goat and donkey grow that man. You don't get no punk in your head because school tell you go them father.
Alright, welcome to Good Intent. You see, now you see that there's so, and now way that. Make them tell you, at 7 miles you're going now.
So I pull water over there.
7 miles we're going.
7 miles we're going in. We're going in 7 miles. No, 7 miles from Mile Gully. You know? Yes, I. You see that everybody say hello. What me tell you?
And you know, so the man they look like me know him.
You don't know nobody on
Me
it, so.
tell you, you're not sure know what a gallon in a Jamaica boy.
Me know where I got along with your folk. You're all over the place. Alright. This is the corner. I'm sure this is the last corner.
Landmark.
You see them? Man, I call with children.
Everybody walk up.
Yes, Naughty.
All you do.
See the man there farm. See the man that pay love, you know. I pay love, you know. I pay love on that side now. Up top, you want me to say when you left here? Make sure you say
How
up.
long me not see one of them bus?
Make sure you say up top.
Walk home for the one.
Ah, you see that church up on top of the hill there? That's where my grandmother bucket this up and I go build one of my temple. You see that church up on top of, see on top of this up? And my grandmother church land bucket it. And this one I go build one of my temple up there so. And one over Baba Yard. So when you come, you go top of top of it. Whoa.
When me go up there, if me come, me not come back though.
Where did you just say? When you got a yam?
Yes.
You do what? Justin, did you hear that?
What you say?
Sleeping.
They're ready for steal.
I'm not sleeping, I'm not sleeping right now, that matter or not.
Me know sometimes you can't go on the next side.
Alright, this is the last corner.
No, man, no, tap it. Your corner, I want 50 times already, I want 50 corner. Black and white go. Like you go.
Because you want to see yam, right?
Yes, man, thief.
Yeah.
Alright, me promise you.
Alright.
At the last big corner.
Again? Tap about the corner, please.
Nick, you like the place?
Alright. Nick, who do you live up here?
Me?
Why wouldn't you live up here, Nick? Okay.
Mr. Cannon, Nick, I'm not left on the backside.
Your brother.
What you say?
You get a shot.
Feel sick.
Right.
No emergency. You can't run fast, man.
Right.
That is the only disadvantage. See,
Yeah.
if you know, say, when ambulance, if ambulance come for me, you can have quick access to medical centers.
I'm not afraid, man. That's why I'm afraid. You see when an accident happens, a taxi rush through your hospital and tap blood in the blood.
Right now, you're going to spend $1 million $100 for fix the road.
Go slow down, son. I'm gonna show you how I build my house now. I'm a real gangster. Big things, you know, I'm not a real countryman, you know. I'm not a real countryman. And then that. Slow down. You see my car, my madman now. You see my car, my madman now. Ah, see the road for go for me. And the road.
Last gun of this one?
I know you have one more big one out there.
And next one again?
Just one more. That's, I hope you have something to go out there.
You want a silver jack? You want a silver jack, man.
We know where I go, man. I hope there's one I go. I reach home, you know. Alright, I'm going to build my house right up there, so.
You want a silver jack, man. That's me I tell you, you want a silver jack. You hear me say what? When me say I want a silver jack or a cat and nine.
I only one corner left.
Tap him, man.
You ain't telling you no much time, you tell you say one left.
Slow down, watch the road, watch the ride. You like it, right? Right, soldier?
Yeah,
Yeah, man, I water pop my top, you know. Yeah, man, the phone 3G or 4G again. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, anything you want, man. That's it.
You let me ask me what come race and train.
What you say? So, on our class, my house. We're going to go past Baba's house and go put on my bag them. We're going to say Pops. One more corner up the drum. Baba! Baba! See Baba there, man. Baba! This, the legendary Baba, see him there. What are you on there?
Go on.
Go on.
How tired I like? Is it same country, this thing?
No, not class, me no.
No, but the country is you can't wait till the morning.
Keep going. One more, just have one more little corner. Me catching up. Me wearing out.
You know,
But you know
you walk on some place at me. And you ask me, I say, how far Mr. Brown shop there? Just on the corner.
Alright, Baba live here, sir. Baba live here, sir, but we have to go up,
Baba, what's
sir.
this?
Yeah. We have to go up at Mama house now. Grandmother and Mama dead. So this is home. This is where I come from. See the brown dog, I'm not dead yet. Chef my Pops live over here, so. You say Pops, you them not. No, I'm not Uncle Pops. Stay on the left. Look on the big house of the man build.
Yeah, but in the building don't really care.
Alright, go down here, sir. Go down here. You can park right over there, sir. Right over there, sir. Right. Park right there, sir. Just forward. Just forward the car. Yeah, go turn it up.
Turn around, turn my face. Blessed morning. How you doing? Please don't lift the Uzi, make it stay on the ground. We are no wrong doors, we are decent people. Okay. Huh? No, Jamaica Good Life, we say.
Go over there, sir. Go to the side.
We say we can't turn.
Go right, they don't turn. Just park the car there, sir. Yeah, go back up. You go turn right there. You see me?
That's my actually can turn so don't so we go back on there.
Yeah, man.
We shall can
But
turn
we
the
go
car
walk
on
down.
there.
We go walk down, sir. There's nowhere for park down there, sir. We have to park here, sir.
What way you want to get turn? You want to turn? What more turn you want?
Just park right there, sir.
Please lock up all the car windows. Please lock up all the car windows.